from Trina's Table. You can contact me on Facebook, Trina's Table, or Instagram at Trina's Table.
Okay, so what is Trina's Table?
It really started because I like entertaining my friends.
Mm-hmm.
So, and usually like like to have it at my home.
Right.
So, I just thought of like, oh, where do I put the food? So table, Trina's
Yeah.
Table,
Oh,
kind
nice.
of goes hand in hand.
So sympathetic.
Yes.
So what is your what are you known for as far as your food that you cook?
I do Asian fusion.
Okay.
So my best sellers are the kimchi pasta
Okay.
and the baked sushi.
Oh, nice. So okay, so which one do you think why did you decide to do the kimchi pasta, for example?
Well, since the pandemic,
Right.
I like going to Korean restaurants, and
Okay.
one of the food that I like to order is kimchi pasta.
Okay.
So since I can't do that, I tried to make it myself at home.
Okay.
So that's how it came about.
Right. And what was the other dish that you said you
Baked sushi.
Baked sushi.
Yeah.
Okay. So what's so special about the baked sushi?
I've been doing the baked sushi for years. So when I started Trina's Table, it's one of like the
First dishes.
Yes.
Oh wow. So
Yes.
without telling me the secrets, what's so special about the baked sushi?
I try to cook in a happy mood, so it goes down to the food
Oh,
that I
wow.
serve.
So if it's too spicy, that means you were not in a good mood in that moment.
No, it's not spicy at all. It's very
Okay.
mild. Yeah.
Okay. Wonderful. Wonderful. And then so how has the pandemic been? Have you been dealing with the pandemic and being able to do what you want to do?
Actually, it's good. I was I was laid off from work.
I'm sorry to hear that.
So I started, pushing for Trina's Table,
Right.
and now I can say this is my full time.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So is it something that you're more passionate about, making these food?
Yeah, but I also want to go back to the
Of course.
workforce. Yeah.
Of course.
When the pandemic, gets better.
Right. Exactly.
But
exactly.
yeah,
So-
for now, this is what I like to
All
do.
right.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank
for your time.
you.
Okay,
Thank you.